Hello everyone! In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful stitch to make blankets or other fun projects. Thank you so much for watching, commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Now let's get started. For materials, you can use any yarn you like. I am using this worsted weight 100% acrylic yarn. I am also using an H 5.00mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and a yarn needle for weaving in ends. To begin, create a slip knot of your choice. Now chain as many as you want. At the end of row 1, if you have too many chains, I will show you how to back out your chains or just cut them off. Row 1, we're going to double crochet into the 4th chain from hook. This loop on your hook never counts as a chain. This chain 3 here that we skipped is going to count as our first double crochet. Chain 1 and skip 4 chains. And into that 5th chain, place 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 more double crochet into the same space. Now we're going to begin a row repeat. Chain 1. Skip 4 chain and V-stitch into your 5th chain. The V-stitch is going to be double crochet, chain 2, double crochet all into the same chain. Then chain 1, and we're going to skip 4 chains and create this shell again. 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet all into the same chain. And now we're just going to repeat this. Chain 1, skip 4 chains, V-stitch, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet into that same chain, chain 1, skip 4 chains, and shell, double crochet 3, chain 2, double crochet 3. We're just going to repeat this all the way down the chain, and when we get to the end, I will meet back up. You are going to end row 1 with 2 double crochet, just like we started with here. So your very last shell, you're going to chain 1, then skip 4 chains, and place 2 double crochet into that 5th chain. And as you see here, I have extra chain so I can show you how we can back those out or cut them off. Here at the end of this chain, you can unknot it and back it out, or you can just grab your scissors and making sure you have a couple chains here, you can just cut it off and then grab that tail and pull it. Now we can begin row 2. Row 2 is going to be a repeat row, and you can repeat it until the work is of desired size. Chain 3 and turn. Double crochet into the top of your very last double crochet of the previous row. Next, chain 1. Skip all of this here, and into this chain 2 space of your previous shell, you're just going to shell 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, all into that space. Now chain 1, and into the middle of our previous V-stitch, we're just going to V-stitch again. So double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, all into that chain 2 space. And then chain 1. And then we're just going to repeat this. So into the middle of all of our previous shells, we're going to shell, and into the middle of all of our V-stitches, we're going to V-stitch. And be sure to make a chain 1 on either side of each one of these. So you're going to have a chain 1 here, then a chain 1 here, and all the way down your work. When you get to the very end of your row 2, or any of your repeat rows, you're just going to double crochet 2 into the top of that turning chain here. So that chain 3 that counts as our first double crochet. 2 double crochet into the same space. Now just chain 3, turn, and begin row 2 again. I hope you enjoy working on this beautiful project. Be sure to leave a comment in the comments below and let me know what you're making with this stitch. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Have a lovely crochet day, and I hope to see you again in my next tutorial. Bye!